Hi there, welcome back. I'm Jovina, and today we're going to explore the tools and apps in Pencil Spaces that can make your sessions more interactive and engaging. At Pencil Spaces, we've designed everything so that you don't have to jump around between multiple sites or screen share multiple tabs. Everything you need is built right into your space. So let's start with opening up the app library. You can find it in the bottom left corner in a button called Apps. I'll open up the panel with all the tools and apps we have in Pencil Spaces that you can use directly in your sessions. For example, you can easily pull in Google Docs or Google Slides onto the board. Simply click Google Docs and copy the link of the document that you want to share. Paste the link here and click Import. Now you have access to the document that you want to share to your students. Michael here can also have access to the document that I'm sharing here. Or if you want to make your class more interactive, we have things like polls, stopwatch, and timer that you can use within your session. You can also run things like Kahoot or Quizlet in the space. We also offer subject-specific apps such as Desmos for math, the UFly blending board for literacy. You can also embed YouTube videos and watch them together with your class. Just click the YouTube option here and paste the YouTube URL that you want to insert.
See, glucose doesn't help us much in this form.
If you can't find your favorite tool here, you can use our collaborative web viewer to co-browse with your students. You can click the web viewer in the top section of the apps panel here. The web viewer works just like a regular browser and search up anything you want on the web. For example, if I want to search up mitochondria, if you want to stop your students from clicking around while you're trying to present something, you can also lock the web viewer so that you're the only one controlling it. You can do that by clicking the three-dot button here on the top right and lock app. Now you're the only one who's in control of the web viewer. In addition to apps, we also offer a built-in resource library. In the apps panel, we have a resource library option. You'll find subject-specific resources such as math, physics, literacy. You have diagrams for biology as well. All you need to do is click and it'll appear on your board. All the content in the space is saved automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. You can prep for your lesson ahead of time in the space, and you can come back and it'll be exactly how you left it. Or after class, your students can come back into the space and review everything you covered in class, so that the learning sticks better. By using the tools and apps that we offer, you'll not only be able to make your lessons more interactive, but also more effective. Now you know everything you need to start teaching on Pencil Spaces. Thanks for watching!